Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'll be showing you how I make chicken teriyaki fried rice. It's quick, it's easy to prepare. To start off, you need some rice. You just boil it the way you will normally boil your rice by adding some salt and some butter and allow to cook. You'll also be needing some eggs. You just go ahead and add in some salt. We are going to be scrambling these eggs and will be used once the rice is done. So here I have some chicken breasts that I have already washed. We're going to be using it for this recipe today. You just go ahead and transfer it into the saucepan. So you lay them down flat in the saucepan and allow to cook. Cook with medium to high heat. At this point, I'm just flipping it over so that the other side can cook as well. I then transfer them from the pan onto a chopping board, and then I go ahead to cut into bite sizes. Just cut it into little pieces, sizes that you would prefer. So I'll be using this teriyaki sauce today. Any brand you see in the supermarket will do just fine. So I go ahead and pour in a generous amount into the chicken and allow to cook. We won't be using any other seasoning for this recipe. This sauce will do just fine. So you can see the chicken is cooking and you give it a good stir. At this point, guys, you would notice the sauce starts to caramelize. Just keep scraping it off, guys, because this is the good stuff in the meal. This is going to add an extra flavor to your meal. You then go ahead and add your veggies into the saucepan and stir it. Allow it to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then I add some more sauce into the veggies and give it a good stir. Then you cover and allow to cook. At this point, I'm just adding my chopped onions into the pan. In a clean pot, I already poured in my rice. Then I add in the veggies and the chicken. And give it a good stir. I also add some more sauce into my rice. And just keep stirring. I'll be adding some chili powder into the rice today, but guys, this part is totally optional. Add your scrambled eggs and give it a good stir. I like to cook it this way because your rice becomes a little bit fried and this gives it an extra flavor. And your rice is ready, guys. Thank you all so much for watching to this point. Let me know in the comment section if you will try out this recipe and also what you think about this recipe. It's always a delight to hear from you guys. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and I'll see you in my next video.